Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Balance 2 XT, and I'm gonna show you how to disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. So the first thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the lower button. After you wake up the screen, press the lower button again to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu, look for the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the option called Wi-Fi and tap on it. Make sure that the Wi-Fi is enabled and wait until the list of networks appears. And as you can see, we have the network that says connected under it, which means that the watch is connected to that network. And if you want to disconnect the watch from the network, you need to tap on the network. And here we have this delete button. We can tap on it. And once you remove the network, it will basically remove it from the saved list. So basically it won't be saved on your watch anymore, and the watch will disconnect from it. Because normally you have networks that are saved on your watch and the watch will try to connect to them automatically. But when you remove the network, it will not connect to it automatically anymore, and it will disconnect from it immediately. So that's how you disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. And of course, later on, you can just reconnect if you want to. Okay, and then we can press the lower button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.